So in this video I'm going to be setting up the wings and stabilizers, basically the aerodynamic components of the main aerodynamic components of the aircraft. So I'm going to start on the right hand side, and the first thing to create is the wing, the default right wing. Okay, now the wing of the C-130 is not really a straight shape wing. There's this first one, then there's the second one, which means each main wing on each side will consist of two sub wings. So I'm going to call this the inner, or let's say no, the main right wing. Okay, so let me set that up to match up the size of this. All right, so is unswept, is untwisted, and I increase the white to 100% so that it occupies all the space. No, it's not really 100%, so it goes down just a little bit. Then let me shoot it backwards just a little bit. All right, then let me increase this to 93. No, 95. Yes, then change this to 1. Okay, now that is perfect. Then I can duplicate this and call this the main left wing, and I have to add the cilantro quantum component. So this would copy everything and translate it so that it lines up on the other side of the aircraft here. So once this is done, I can remove that. Another way I could have done this was to come here, then create the left structure, but that is for, this is just easier if you really understand the system. Okay, now the next thing I have to do is set up the external wings. So I can either use this or create another one. So let me use this, duplicate, and call this the right wing. So I'm going to scale this out just a little bit more. decided to duplicate that wing because now I don't have to make them line up. They are lined up automatically because the position hasn't really changed. Now I change the tip width and I sweep it forwards to line up with the model. Okay, I think I need a sweep of around 4 degrees. Then the tip width has to go down to 49. Yes. Now as you can see, the wing matches up with the model perfectly. So the next thing I have to do is increase the subdivisions. So I need to have at least, okay, now I have 7 sections. I have to do it in such a way that the subdivisions will allow me to select the perfect coverage for each of my control surfaces. Now you see this line, the line here lines up with this section line here. So I can easily cover up this space for the ailerons and this for the flaps. So I'm going to do what I did for the other wing, duplicate this wing, call it left wing, then add the cilantro quantum component, select the right wing as the instance, and it is automatically copied on the other side. Now you might have to make a little adjustment to the positions and everything, and the rotation. That is if the system doesn't work straight forward. So I'm going to reduce this to 3, and I'll do the same thing for this, reduce to 3. Okay, so the wings are perfect. I need to set up the stabilizers now. Let me duplicate the right wing and name it right stabilizer, then move it here and scale it. All right, so okay, so I did the same thing, increase, I mean, sorry, reduce the tip width, sweep backwards, yes, just a little bit. I think I have to move this forward a little bit so that it matches with this, then increase this, scale it up. All right, tip width 45, then sweep to 5 degrees, 4 degrees, then 43, just a little bit, yes, now it is perfect. Okay, so I can duplicate this and call it left stabilizer. Then I have the cilantro quantum component. I select the right stabilizer as the instance. It automatically goes to the left side. As you can see, there's just this little adjustment I have to make. The position is off a little bit, so the first thing is to remove the stabilizer component, the cilantro quantum component, then reposition this. Alright, now it's perfect. Let me check the left wing and make sure that the left wing, alright, perfect. Now I have to create the rudder. So I select the aerodynamics game object, then A for structures controllable, then rudder. So I will name this as my rudder. Then I move it here. Then I scale it up. Then I have to rotate about y axis. Should be around z axis. Alright. So let me select my isometric view. The position on the base. I sweep backwards. As you can see, there is a little bit of curvature here. So that might be just a little bit too difficult to get. So I'm going to leave the setup just like this. Alright, now it is perfect. Yes. Okay, so I'm done with the basic airfoil setup. The next video is going to be on the primary control surface.